Hello everyone, welcome from my channel. Today we're gonna do robotic hand movement with motor. Here are the materials you need. One piece of paper, any paper type you have is fine, and straws, scissors, tapes. I use double tape here, and marker, because I'm going to draw today. And you'll need 5 pieces of cotton strings. I use cotton strings in this video as they make pulling the hand better. So let's get started by making the hand. We're going to take paper, put your hands on it, and draw it with the pen. You want to make sure that the fingers are not too close or not too wide, just enough so that you can get the pen around the fingers and start tracing. Just like this. The next thing we'll do is cut our tracing. And there we have it. After this, what we'll do is add knuckle joint to this paper hand with this cardboard pieces at knuckle joint area. Remember to have some spaces between them so that the hand can bend smoothly. The next thing we're gonna do is stick this cardboard pieces to our hand. I use double tape here, just like this. So what are we gonna do next? We're gonna cut straws to pieces. The pieces that can stick on cardboard, then we're gonna put it on cardboard pieces, stick them on it. Some mark the straws before they cut them, but I just cut them, no measurement. Following this, we're gonna cut about 2-inch straws, 5 pieces for our palm. Just like this. Here is our hand. Then I'm gonna take my yarns, my cotton strings. There are 5 pieces. We'll put the yarn through the straws. Here we go. Through here. Put it all the way through the palm straw. So when we finish it, I'm gonna glue them at the tip of each fingers to secure it on the back. So all 5 pieces will meet at the wrist. When you finish it, you have to pull the cotton strings for each 5 fingers to test them if they bend or not. If every finger works for you, we have completed our robot hand. And then we'll go to coating screen. This is the coat block I use. It's pretty simple. If you want to add some more coat blocks, that's fine. And the next thing is we're gonna connect the string with motor. You can decorate your hand with anything you like to make it beautiful. So have fun with your creations. See ya!